I welcome you all in BSc Botany Studies classes channel. Here we are going to discuss about the biotechnology related MCQ, the probable MCQ which can be asked during the exam, which is taken by the universities or any competitive agencies. So here, without wasting too much time, let's discuss about the first question on your board, that the advantage of what has been taken up by our ancestors to produce bread, cheese and beer and alcoholic beverages fermentation. So the options are microorganism, plant, sheep and cattle like animal and tissue culture. So all these options are related with biotechnology, don't get confused. But when it comes to the fermentation, always and always microbes perform the fermentation. So the first option will be the microorganism, such as well-known yeast, fungi and many bacteria can perform the fermentation. The second option is what is decomposed by yeast to derive energy during fermentation. So the options are polysaccharide, lipid, sugar and disaccharide. So this question is tricky and little bit confusing, because if you look at the options which are given, in which they have given polysaccharide, sugar and disaccharide, which are nothing but the all carbohydrate belonging. But you have to select the option C, that is sugar. The third question is related with the second question. What is produced when sugar is decomposed? The sugar is decomposed and produces, the options are given alcohol, ethane, methanol and ethanol. So the answer will be the D, option D is ethanol. Why ethanol? Because it is something related with the chemistry. You just have to remember the option. Ethanol is the byproduct, or you can say the reaction which taken place for decomposition of sugar. So alcohol is also produced. Ethanol is the example of alcohol, but exact alcohol is ethanol, you have to mention here. Methanol is also one type of alcohol. So ethanol belonging to the alcohol is produced by the fermentation of decomposition of the sugar, we can say. The fourth question is which information is preserved by asexual reproduction. So this is one of the most easy question. So the options are undesirable gene. Question is which information is preserved by asexual reproduction. First option is undesirable gene. Exact gene information, option B. Option C is desirable hybridization and option D is sexual reproduction diversity. So they are asking which thing is preserved in asexual reproduction. The option B is exact gene information will be preserved during asexual reproduction, because during sexual reproduction, you know very well, the crossing over takes place in meiosis. This crossing over is result into the recombination of DNA. Means gene alteration can take place in sexual, but in asexual reproduction there is no chance of alternation of gene. So exact gene information, option B, you have to select here. Then we have fifth question. Which fragment would not be able to multiply unless and until it get integrated into the genome of recipient? So please read carefully. Which fragment would not be able to multiply unless and until it get integrated into the genome of recipient? So the options are mRNA, DNA, RNA and plasmid. Obviously the answer will be DNA. So you would ask why DNA? Because mRNA, RNA, plasmid are something specified examples, whereas DNA is generalized example. The DNA fragment would not be able to multiply unless it get integrated into the genome of recipient. So what does it means? You will get more information related this with the example of tDNA in agrobacterium type of example. So we will restrict ourselves with MCQ type. We have seen 5 questions. Sixth question is how can we introduce BT cotton? How can we introduce BT cotton? How can we explain BT cotton? Options are as transgenic animal, B. selective breeding, C. domestic animal and D. microorganism. The BT cotton example is given here. BT cotton means Bacillus thuringiensis, cotton plant, and they have given example transgenic animal, selective breeding, domestic animal, microorganism. So the answer will be this is a transgenic animal. I don't know why they have given transgenic animal. It should be transgenic plant. So this question must be something wrong here. I have to ask the agency from where I have got these questions. The answer will be the transgenic plant. Please remember this. Such types of question, if asked in your exam. If this such a type of question are there and no option is belonging to the question, these questions are known as star question. And then they will give you 100% marks for that question, so you don't have to worry. If you pick the wrong option, obviously these options are wrong, all options are wrong. If you select any one of them, definitely you will get the mark. But if you don't attempt this question, you will not get marks. So you have to remember this point. And seventh question is, what is the full form of EFB? EFB stands for Environmental Federation of Britain, European Federation of Biotechnology, Ecological Federation Board, European Foundation of Biotechnology. The answer of this is something you have to read somewhere. It is not conceptual. The European Federation of Biotechnology is the answer for this question. So just we have seen the 7th question. I am trying to tell you the reason for the answer also. So the eighth question is, which enzyme helps to join the cut pieces of DNA? RNA ligase, RNA protease, DNA ligase and DNA polymerase. So option A and B are not applicable here because it is related with DNA. Option C and D are applicable for DNA here, DNA ligase and DNA polymerase. DNA polymerase is enzyme which is responsible for duplication of DNA, but joining of DNA is done by the DNA ligase, which is the option C. 9th question is, dash 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 have capacity to transform normal cell into the cancer cell. Dash 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 have capacity to transform normal cell into the cancer cell. Options are TMV, which is tobacco mosaic virus, everyone knows. B, retrovirus. C, DNA ligase. And D, DNA polymerase. Obviously, DNA ligase and DNA polymerase will not be responsible for transformation of normal cell into cancer cell, because these C and D options are required in every normal cell. First is restricted to the tobacco mosaic virus category, which is responsible for causing disease to tobacco plant. The remaining option is retrovirus. Yes, these retroviruses are responsible. If you see the 9th question's option is B, retrovirus. The 10th question is, in which of the following process to make easy entry of DNA and permeability of cell membrane are high voltage current? Means, in which of the following process you can make DNA enter into the cell by giving the high voltage current? Obviously, the answer will be electroporation, which is D option. Microinjection is nothing but we don't have to apply any electric current here. Liposuction, which is responsible for medication process, where you have to insert your medicine into the lipid molecule, which is not a liposome. And particle bombardment means, for example, gene gun. These three options are not applicable here. Electroporation, the name indicates electric current have to given. What happens in electroporation is very essential to understand. If you give the current to the cell, the membrane get viable, and that moment you can use to insert your gene copy into the cell. So we have seen 10 question. 11th question is, which coating on DNA helps to enter in cell membrane? DNA have coating. So which coating? A, protein. B, lipid. C, carbohydrate. And D, cholesterol. So the coating on DNA helps to enter into the cell is always lipid. Why? You will ask, why sir, lipid, how lipid can help? Because the lipid are involved in cell membrane. Like dissolve in like is chemistry slogan. So if you coat your DNA with the lipid, that lipid allows the lipid encapsulated DNA to enter inside the cell. So the option B for 11th question is lipid. You have to listen carefully. I am telling you the reason behind this also. 12th question is, when the process of cloning is possible? When the process of cloning is possible, options are given. When DNA of one species get fixed into the another cell. Option B, recipient cell DNA is destroyed. Option C, integrated DNA in recipient cell replicates itself. And option D is need for cloning vector. Question is, when the process of cloning is possible? The answer for this, cloning possible only when integrated DNA in recipient cell replicates itself, because that gene have to express itself. When you insert the cell into the cell, when you insert the DNA into the cell, that DNA or copy of DNA, you can say as a gene, can replicate itself and create multiple copies. So just we have seen 12 questions, we have to discuss 40 questions. So I think this video will be helpful for you for biotechnology purpose. The 13th question is what is produced by the combination of DNA from one or more living organism in recombinant DNA? When one or more organisms DNA is involving here, option A is artificial DNA, B natural DNA, C artificial RNA, and option D natural DNA. So we have option here in which we have artificial DNA is the correct option. Why artificial DNA? Why not other options? Because question is such as what is produced by combination of DNA from one or more living organisms in recombinant DNA. Obviously that DNA will not remain normal because you are involved in that process, you are mixing the DNA, that DNA will be not natural, it will be artificial DNA. So the 14th question is what can be removed by treatment of ribonuclease enzyme. Ribonuclease enzymes are useful for treatment. I will read the option first. DNA, RNA, mRNA and rRNA. So obviously what can be removed by the treatment of ribonuclease enzyme? Ribonuclease enzyme are effective on RNA especially. So the option C and D also involve RNA, but generalized there are many different types of RNA. So we know mRNA, rRNA, tRNA, story does not end here. Cumulatively you can say that ribonucleases are useful to remove the RNA, which is the option B. The 15th question is what is precipitated by the chilled ethanol. So this is somewhat chemistry related. You cannot distinguish as chemistry question. I will not attempt this. You have to attempt. The answer is very easy. What is precipitated by the chilled ethanol? Ethanol is form of alcohol. Options are A option RNA, B rRNA, C mRNA and D DNA. So the 15th question, obviously chilled ethanol is going to affect on DNA. Please remember this. It requires somewhat basic chemistry, but it is not so much difficult. Just remember here, chilled ethanol is going to affect on DNA. Precipitation means what? Formation of powder from the chemical. So you must have studied this in your FYS or BSc classes. 16th question is which enzyme enables sticky ends to bind with the complementary DNA? So what are the sticky ends? When you are trying to insert the gene of interest into the plasmid, you have to create the sticky end or cohesive end. Blunt ends are not going to work here. To create sticky ends, which enzyme requires? Options are ligase, protease, lipase and restriction. Obviously restriction endonuclease types of enzymes are required. The option D must be such as restriction endonuclease. There are enzymes who are cleaving the DNA are known as DNase. Endonuclease means what? Which cuts the DNA from the inside, internal side, and restriction endonuclease means which cuts the DNA from the restriction site. You must have studied about the restriction site. The 17th question is which piece can be separated by the agar gel electrophoresis? Which pieces can be separated by agar gel electrophoresis? The option A is RNA, B mRNA, C DNA and D rRNA. So here are four options. 17th question, option C is the DNA is used for electrophoresis purpose. DNA is generally isolated by electrophoresis method because DNA contain negative charge. When you run the DNA on the gel, we have positive and negative end. Positive end at the another side, negative end at the other side. DNA is negatively charged. When it runs to the positive side, on the basis of density difference, DNA gets separated. Means what? You can separate DNA by the gel electrophoresis is the answer for this question. 18th question is which group is responsible negative charge of DNA? What is giving negative charge to DNA? Just I have said that DNA is negatively charged. Options are carbon, phosphate, sulfur and iodine. I think this question you must have studied in your 11th standard, that phosphate group which is located in nucleotide is going to give the negative charge because phosphate are negatively charged. Okay, the option B is for 18th question. 19th question is what is used to create new copies of DNA? So options are GMO, EFB, REE and PCR. Everything has a long form. The PCR, polymerase chain reaction, is used for the method of creating new copies of DNA. Okay, just we have seen 19 questions which are based on multiple type category. Now I am going to show you the true or false type of question with their direct answers. So I hope this video will help you watch the video up till the end, so you will get all the questions with their answers. I will try to upload more questions, but here we have 42 questions. Up till we have seen 19 questions. Let's see what true or false question are showing you. Try to take screenshot. I have given you the answers. Then we have some questions which are showing the match the pair type of question. Maybe this type of question are not in your exam paper, but the concept will remain same. On that basis you can attempt your question. So this is more informative for you. I am trying to give you more information. For that I have personally studied a lot. So I think this will help you. Then such diagrammatic question will be there on which you have to be very careful while selecting the answer. You will require more study regarding biotechnology. It is not easy subject first of all. I hope I have given you 42 different questions with different dimensions. This question will definitely help you to solve the questions in your question paper. So I will upload more videos. For that you have to subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so you will get notification. If you really like the video, please click on the like button and share with your friends. Thank you for your time. Bye. We will meet soon.